Dear student class 7, today I am going to discuss about the chapter 7, climate of Bangladesh. Though the words weather and climate appear to be same, they have difference in their meaning. The natural condition of a particular area of a certain day or time of day that includes temperature, rainfall, wind, storm, etc. is called weather. So, what is called weather? The natural condition of a particular area of a certain day or time of day that includes temperature, rainfall, wind, storm is called weather. It is determined by measuring temperature, air pressure and speed, humidity and amount of rain. Weather may change daily or hourly, and it actually does so. Weather may be changed. On the other hand, the average weather of 30 to 40 years of a particular area is called climate. So, what is called climate? The average weather of 30 to 40 years of a particular area is called climate. However, there are some extra elements beside the condition of weather that count in determining climate of a place. The climate of an area includes latitude, longitude, distance from sea, height from sea level, wind amount, ocean current, slope of land, soil structure and volume of forest, etc. So, changes in the lifestyle of inhabitants of the area, luxury or development effect in change of climate of that particular area. These factors are resulting in increased temperature all over the world, because we indiscriminately cutting the trees and we exploit more in our nature. As a result, the temperature, we increased our temperature. We have to fight greenhouse effect due to this. Therefore, we need to learn the climate of Bangladesh, changes in climates, effects, reasons for the effects of tackling the new situation. Look, climate of Bangladesh. As Bangladesh is situated in the tropical region. Where is situated Bangladesh? In the tropical region. Its climate is tropical monsoon. What type of climate remain in Bangladesh? Tropical monsoon. Being near to the sea and under the influence of monsoon, neither the winter nor the summer is severe here. The summer is warm and rainy and the winter is dry. Actually, what type of climate we observe and remain here? Summer is warm and rainy, the winter is dry. The Himalayas, although situated at far north, saves us from the chill winds coming from the north during winter. Actually, who save us from the chill wind? Himalayas. Therefore, winter is not too long. Usual temperature in Bangladesh winter is 11 degree to 29 degrees Celsius. But sometimes it comes down 4 degree to 5 degrees Celsius in north and northwest region. Thakurgaon, Panchgarh, Srimongol are the coldest place. What are the coldest district are there in the Bangladesh? Thakurgaon, Panchgarh, Srimongol. Summer starts from the month of Boishakh, which is mid-April in the English calendar. The average highest temperature of Bangladesh in summer is 34 degrees Celsius. What is the average highest temperature of Bangladesh in summer? Is 34 degrees Celsius, and the average lowest is 29 degrees Celsius. And lowest temperature there in Bangladesh, 29 degrees Celsius. Again, sometimes temperature in the north and northwest rises up to 40 degree to 45 degrees Celsius. Then the northwester occurs sometimes at the beginning of summer, actually Kal Boishakhi, northwester of summer in various places. The coastal areas experience cyclones and tsunami too. In the rainy season, wind blows with vapor from the south and southwestern part of the Bay of Bengal. This is called summer monsoon. What is called summer monsoon? The coastal in the rainy season, wind blows with vapor from south to southwestern part. It is called of the Bay of Bengal. It is called summer monsoon. This wind causes heavy rainfall in Bangladesh, but rainfall does not occur equally all over the country. Sylhet, Chittagong and Cox's Bazar experience heavy rain. On the contrary, Rajshahi, Pabna, Kustia have comparative low rainfall. There is rain during the autumn too, though the amount is very low. River erosion also increases during the rainy season. April, May and October to November are the high times for tornadoes and cyclones. Which month indicate us the high time for tornadoes and cyclones? April to May and October to November. The climate of Bangladesh is moderate. What type of climate Bangladesh is? Moderate. It means effects of favorable and adverse weather is equal here. What is mean? It means effect of favorable and adverse weather is equal here. Being under favorable weather, Bangladesh is evergreen and ever fertile. On the other hand, disasters like storms, tidal wave, flood, drought, nor'wester and excessive rainfall occur due to adverse effect and cause a lot of suffering to people. Lesson 2. Causes behind the climate change in Bangladesh. Many causes are responsible for visible changes in climate all over the world. It is affecting Bangladesh. Weather changes does not go accordingly with change of season. Amount of rainfall during the monsoon is decreasing. And winter is arriving late. Actually, there is a change here. Amount of rainfall during monsoon season is decreasing. Winter is arriving late and leaving early. The number of natural disaster is increasing. Severity of drought, floods, tidal waves is on the rise. Rivers and canals are drying up, and man-made causes are equally responsible with natural causes for this. You know, when any natural or man-made situation becomes unnatural and intolerable, and as a result of which crops, assets, life are destroyed, environment is damaged, is called actually disaster. Disaster are two kinds, natural and man-made. Man-made causes are equally responsible with natural causes for this. The main cause behind climate change in Bangladesh as well as the world is global warming. Natural disasters take place suddenly and human beings are generally helpless here. However, man-made disasters are a result of some activities done by them. We can avoid them or save ourselves from their adverse impact by being conscious and careful. Disasters that are created due to the malpractice of human beings or which are caused due to their lack of far-sightedness are called human being created disaster. This type of disaster destroys lives and disrupts natural lifestyle. It is also disturb ecological balance, increase restlessness in a society. Some of the man-made disasters are war, communal riot, deforestation, waterlogging through obstacle at natural flow of rivers and desertification, fire, etc. On the other hand, when any natural accident or destruction hamper the normal flow of life, we call it natural disaster like flood, cyclone, tidal boat, tornado, earthquake, drought, river erosion, tsunami, volcanic eruption are some example of natural disaster. The main cause behind climate change is Bangladesh as well as the world is global warming. The polar ice, very important, underline this line. The polar ice is melting abnormally due to warming. This water due to melting ice is rising the sea level, underline. As a result, the low-lying southern region and many countries adjacent to sea are at risk of being submerged. The greenhouse gas is highly responsible for global warming. Gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbon, etc. combined are known as greenhouse gas. The increased presence of these gases in atmosphere increases temperature of the earth. Human activities are causing this increase of greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide constitutes the largest portion of greenhouse gases. This gas is generated from electricity production, smoke from vehicle, fuel, bricklaying. The percentage of greenhouse gases actually what is greenhouse effect or greenhouse gases? What are they? The percentage of greenhouse gases has drastically increased these days. From this, we can easily understand the danger of climate change. The cause of climate change in Bangladesh are almost same as those around the world. However, developing countries like Bangladesh don't use the same amount of fuel as used by the developed countries. Actually, you see the developed countries experiment more on the nature, and the result affect our third world countries like our countries. These considered developed countries are more responsible for the change in climate, but we are the ones to bear the maximum burnt for this. The temperature of the earth is also rising due to continuous deforestation. Expert opinion that a country needs, underline, forest that should amount to 25%. What percentage of forest have to a country? Must be a country 25% of each size, but Bangladesh has only 17%. The amount of forest is still decreasing due to indiscriminate cutting down of trees and destruction of fields. Consequently, the amount of rain in Bangladesh has decreased recently. Some disaster due to climate change. Bangladesh is a disaster prone country. What type of country Bangladesh is? Disaster prone country. Many natural disasters occur here. Some mentionable of them are cyclone and tidal waves, flood, river erosion, drought, chill, tornado, or nor'westers. Besides, Bangladesh is at risk of earthquake. What type of risk Bangladesh is? Earthquake, cyclone and tidal wave. When the air of Earth's surface of a particular place becomes too hot, very important, this para blows upwards. As a result, air pressure of that place grows less. That is called depression. What is called depression? At this stage, air from surrounding places rushes to that depression area with higher speed. That is called cyclone. What do you mean by cyclone? Most of the cyclones in Bangladesh occur due to depression created in the Bay of Bengal. Look, most of the cyclone in Bangladesh, where the most of the cyclones occurs actually due to depression created in the Bay of Bengal, the cyclone is occurred. This kind of depression and storm in sea generate huge waves, and waves in their turn inundate the landmass of coastal areas with great speed. That is called tidal wave. What is called tidal waves? Cyclones and tidal waves have struck the coastal areas of Bangladesh several times. They have killed so many people, and crops and cattle have been whipped away. Such a cyclone and tidal waves on 12 November 1970 in our coastal belt killed about 1 million people. When did actually tidal wave occurred, and which date? On which date? 12 November 1970. Sidor and Ayla are two examples of cyclones of the recent past. Sidor and Ayla. What type of disaster? Cyclone. About 3 million people in 28 districts were affected. How many people and how many districts affected by the Sidor? 3 million people in 28 districts. Ayla caused havoc on 5 May 2009, destroying people. When did Ayla attack in Bangladesh? 5 May 2009, destroying people, birds and animals, crops and houses. Generally, the meteorological office forecast about these cyclones and issue warning to the people. We can minimize losses if we follow the forecast and take necessary precaution. We need to prepare for mitigating the impending disaster and take refuge in storm shelter at this time. Actually, we need preparation during the natural disaster. Actually, what type of activity we have to done? We have already learned it due to geographical location and natural characteristics. Bangladesh has been one of the most natural disaster prone areas. For ages, and peoples of the countries have been fighting with natural disaster for their survival. In most of the cases, natural disaster cannot be avoided. However, look, the amount of death and destruction in these disasters can be minimized to a certain extent with proper planning and preparedness program. Actually, we have to some preparation, use high lands as much as possible to build houses, animals, shade, build house within embankment in river bank areas, within enclosures in coastal areas, plant bamboo, banana and dhol kulmi, this type of trees that can defend current of any flood to a large extent. Make an extra roof or platform inside your house and preserve food, seeds and other necessary items there. If flood, cyclones, water enters inside the house, they cannot damage. Make ponds, keep things such as chopper, cooking tools, spade, basket, nylon ropes, bamboo mats and broken pitch of tea, portable oven, radio, torchlight, battery in possession. Make pond site high and install tubes and latrines at high place as much as possible. If necessary, use extra pipes to make tubes well. Actually, know where the nearest shelter center. We have to know it. Make a habit of saving. Learn the danger signals and their explanations. Keep in regular touch with local disaster management committees and volunteers. Take combined initiatives to repair dam, bridge, roads, culverts of your locality. Have regular meeting with local disaster management committee, social organization, volunteers to teach local people what to do, prevent disaster. Actually, these are the preparedness program the people have to need and have to take in. So thank you very much. Have you any question, please contact with me and send the question in my messenger ID. Allah Hafiz.